Elon Musk's AI platform Grok has just made a shocking move into Microsoft Azure cloud. This marks a major disruption in the AI cloud race that few saw coming this soon. OpenAI once had the exclusive partnership, but the dynamics have officially shifted. Grok will now operate using Microsoft's infrastructure, challenging OpenAI directly. Azure is now a shared playground for both OpenAI and xAI, Elon Musk's AI company. This surprise move could shake the foundation of AI deployment and user control. Microsoft opening doors to Grok may signal a multi-AI ecosystem is being embraced. With OpenAI's grip loosening, competition inside Azure is about to heat up fast. In this video, we will explore what this means for developers, users, and the AI world. Let's break down how this move could reshape AI dominance across cloud platforms. 1. What is Grok and why it matters? Grok is xAI's flagship chatbot model developed under the direction of Elon Musk himself. It was designed to be open, humorous, and free from what Musk calls excessive censorship. Unlike ChatGPT, Grok can access real-time X data and offers a more sarcastic tone. Grok runs on a custom stack built for high performance and rapid multimodal access. Its move into Azure now makes it accessible to developers building enterprise apps. This is Grok's first major step toward competing at scale with OpenAI in cloud AI markets. 2. Microsoft Azure's changing AI strategy. Microsoft was once seen as OpenAI's exclusive partner, integrating GPT into its stack. Now it appears Microsoft is betting on a multi-model future, starting with Grok support. This shift allows Azure users to choose between different AI models in their applications. It creates a neutral ground where innovation from multiple sources can coexist securely. The strategic change gives Microsoft more flexibility and leverage in AI infrastructure. Developers now get more options while Microsoft diversifies its cloud AI partnerships. 3. OpenAI's deal with Microsoft is no longer exclusive. OpenAI had a special deal giving Microsoft preferred access to GPT models and tools. That exclusive window is now closing as Microsoft invites other players like xAI on board. This could weaken OpenAI's influence inside Azure while strengthening Musk's xAI foothold. The AI cloud market may become more competitive as new players enter Microsoft's system. OpenAI will still be deeply integrated, but no longer the only AI game in town for Azure. This ends an era of exclusivity and opens the door for more open market competition. 4. Why Elon Musk took Grok to Microsoft. Elon Musk has often criticized Microsoft and OpenAI, so this move seems unexpected. But partnering with Azure gives Grok the infrastructure it needs to grow at enterprise scale. Microsoft's global cloud presence offers low latency and secure hosting for xAI systems. It is a strategic move to accelerate Grok's reach without building a new cloud from scratch. This deal could help xAI attract business clients who already use Microsoft technologies. It also positions Grok as a serious contender beyond Twitter and experimental releases. 5. How this impacts OpenAI's dominance. For years, OpenAI enjoyed uncontested leadership as Azure's primary AI provider. Grok entering the scene gives Azure users an alternative, shifting the power balance. Developers may start comparing features and performance between GPT and Grok directly. This will push OpenAI to innovate faster or risk losing some enterprise mindshare. OpenAI's future may now depend more on its model quality and pricing than exclusivity. The age of platform monopoly in cloud AI is clearly coming to a sudden end this year. 6. Developers now have more AI choices in Azure. With Grok joining the Azure platform, developers can build with a wider AI toolkit. Multiple models allow for more testing, hybrid approaches, and specific use case matches. Startups and enterprises can compare response tone, latency, and performance live. This also brings price competition as providers try to win developer loyalty over time. It is a win for those building AI apps who want more than just one model's strengths. Azure is fast becoming the most diverse and flexible cloud for advanced AI integration. 7. XAI's expansion beyond Twitter and Grok was first embedded inside the X platform as a chatbot for Twitter subscribers. Its early use cases were mostly fun, sarcastic interactions, and news-based questions. Now, Grok is stepping into a professional space with tools aimed at serious developers. Azure provides Grok a launchpad to integrate into enterprise workflows and apps. This move shows XAI is serious about competing in the productivity and dev tooling space. Grok is no longer just a Twitter feature, it is becoming a full-fledged AI alternative. 8. Privacy and freedom claims by XAI. XAI has marketed Grok as more open, transparent, and aligned with user freedom of thought. Musk believes AI should reflect diverse views and not be guided by hidden moderation rules. Grok offers a more raw, uncensored feel that appeals to users tired of sanitized answers. Now available in Azure, Grok can bring that philosophy into more workplace environments. This opens questions about content policy, bias, and moderation for enterprise users. It also puts pressure on OpenAI to be more transparent in how its models handle user data. Enterprises must now decide between flexibility and safety when deploying large language models. Grok's tone may resonate with teams that prioritize candid, unfiltered brainstorming sessions. This marks a shift where model personality and policy alignment become major buying factors. 9. Future AI showdowns inside Microsoft's cloud. Azure is now a battleground where GPT, Grok, and possibly other models will compete. Users will compare response speed, cost, personality, and integration features closely. Microsoft may soon let users mix models, run them in parallel, or choose case by case. This diversity could lead to faster innovation as each model adapts to feedback rapidly. Grok might lead in tone or humor, while GPT leads in accuracy or long-form performance. The real winner will be users who benefit from model variety and evolving features daily. Workflows will shift from picking one AI to orchestrating the best parts of several models. Developers may build tools that auto-switch models mid-task based on performance data. Azure could become the go-to platform for AI experimentation, creativity, and competition. 10. What this means for the future of AI platforms. We are watching the end of walled gardens and the rise of multimodal AI cloud platforms. Microsoft's move suggests no single AI will dominate, but multiple will grow side by side. This creates pressure for every provider to open up, collaborate, and support developer needs. It also means more transparency, better pricing, and faster feature rollouts from each player. The AI future looks more democratic, where choice and competition become the new normal. This Grok Azure deal may be the tipping point for an open, diversified AI ecosystem in cloud. APIs will become interchangeable, and developers will switch models based on task, not brand. Cloud giants must now compete on trust, speed, and customization rather than exclusive deals. An OpenAI stack benefits users, startups, and researchers by removing lock-in and adding agility. Elon Musk just made a huge power play by bringing Grok into Microsoft's Azure ecosystem. This marks the end of OpenAI's exclusive cloud dominance and the start of a new AI era. Azure will now be home to multiple AI minds, giving developers more power and flexibility. Grok is no longer a side project. It is now a real contender in the battle for cloud AI control. OpenAI will need to evolve quickly or risk losing its grip on Microsoft's enterprise base. Musk's move is bold, calculated, and signals a changing tide in artificial intelligence. We will likely see more cloud players open up to multiple AI models in the coming months. If you build with AI, this shift means you now have real choices and new tools to explore. Thanks for watching this breakdown of Grok's arrival in Azure and what it means for the future. Like the video, hit subscribe, and stay updated as the AI wars continue to heat up fast.